Are you looking for the best wireless keyboards? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best wireless keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Akko Geek Fun 60 keyboard. The Akko Geek Fun 60 is a high-end 60% mechanical gaming keyboard featuring magnetic switches with ultra-precise rapid trigger actuation down to 0.01mm, making it extremely responsive for competitive gaming. It supports up to 8,000 Hz polling in wired mode and comes with customizable ARGB lighting effects. The keyboard is compact, freeing up desk space, and some variants feature hot swappable PCBs and premium aluminum cases for durability. Multi-mode connectivity, wired USB-C, 2.4 GHz wireless Bluetooth is available on select models, though battery life varies depending on lighting usage. While the 60% layout offers portability and minimalism, it lacks dedicated function keys, arrow keys, and a navigation cluster, which may require a learning curve. Overall, the Fun 60 series is ideal for gamers and keyboard enthusiasts seeking high responsiveness, customization, and a sleek, compact design, though prices and availability may vary, especially for imports to Bangladesh. Number 2, SKYLOONG GK104 Pro. The SKYLOONG GK104 Pro is a full-size mechanical keyboard featuring 104 keys with 3 connectivity modes: wired, USB-C, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth, making it versatile for both gaming and productivity. It includes a built-in TFT screen above the numpad for displaying images or GIFs, and 3 rotary knobs for media and application controls. The keyboard supports hot swappable 3-pin and 5-pin switches, allowing users to easily customize switch types, and comes with durable PBT keycaps. Its high polling rate ensures responsive performance, while additional features like split spacebar support, built-in sound effects, and a large battery for wireless use add to its premium appeal. While the keyboard offers extensive functionality, including media controls and a screen, it comes at a higher price point and may require more desk space, and some users note that the software can be unintuitive. Overall, the GK104 Pro is ideal for users seeking a feature-rich, customizable, and versatile full-size mechanical keyboard. Number 3, Meiko's Ace 68 magnetic keyboard. The Meiko's Ace 68 is a 65% compact gaming keyboard featuring Hall effect magnetic switches with ultra-low latency and a high polling rate of up to 8,000 Hz, designed for competitive gaming. It offers hot swappable switch sockets, fully programmable macros, and supports DKS, MT, TGL, RS SOCD functions for advanced input customization. The keyboard uses durable PBT keycaps mounted on an aluminum or alloy plate with sound dampening layers, providing a premium typing feel and precise feedback. Its rapid trigger technology allows for extremely fine actuation adjustments, making it ideal for fast reaction gameplay such as FPS titles. While packed with esports grade features and RGB lighting, the Meiko's Ace 68 is especially suited for gamers seeking high responsiveness and customization, though casual users may find its advanced capabilities more than necessary. Number 4, Lingbao K98 mechanical keyboard. The Lingbao K98 is a near full-size mechanical keyboard featuring tri-mode connectivity with USB-C wired, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth 5.0, making it versatile for desktops, laptops, and mobile devices. It employs a premium gasket mount structure with multiple layers of foam for a refined, quieter typing experience, and supports hot swappable 3-pin and 5-pin switches for easy customization. The keyboard comes with durable PBT keycaps, a large built-in battery of up to 10,000 mAh for extended wireless use, full RGB lighting customization, and a full number pad, combining productivity and gaming features in a single compact yet feature-rich design. Number 5, SKYLOONG GK104 Pro. The SKYLOONG GK104 Pro is a full-size 104-key mechanical keyboard offering tri-mode connectivity through USB-C wired, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth, making it versatile for both gaming and productivity. It features hot swappable 3-pin and 5-pin switches, a large color TFT LCD screen, and 3 rotary knobs for media and application control. Built with durable PBT keycaps, a split spacebar layout, and extensive RGB lighting, the keyboard combines premium build quality with high customization options. While the hardware and feature set are impressive, some users note that the accompanying software can be unintuitive, which may affect those seeking deep configuration. Overall, the GK104 Pro is ideal for users looking for a versatile, feature-rich, and customizable full-size mechanical keyboard.